It's wonderful to see you all here tonight, and it's indeed a privilege to be able to connect to all of you all at once on this milestone occasion. My heartfelt thanks also to Professor Subhashish Chaudhary, the Director, and Professor Subhash Joshi, Dean ACR, for finding time to join us on this occasion tonight. The IITB AA began its journey 20 years back from modest office space in the Gulmohar building on campus. It was in fact at the Silver Jubilee reunion of the class of 75 that the idea of the AA was first put up. Under the guidance of Professor Sukhatme, who wanted the AA to be set up as an independent entity, a few alumni from the class of 75, Kirat Patel, Avinash Barve and Narayan Sundareshan, set up IIT Bombay Alumni Association as Section 25, which is now a Section 8 company, which is not for profit. From the humble beginnings then, it has really grown over the last 20 years. Initially, when it was set up, the activities were very few. But as time passed, the organization also grew and it took up many more activities. The engagement levels have also significantly increased. I mean, apart from organizing reunions and the chapter engagement activities, there are a whole lot of other programs of the AA, like the financial aid program for deserving students, the hostel alumni team stewardship for mess employees, the retired faculty wellness fund, and a benevolent fund to assist in medical emergencies. All these programs have collectively touched hundreds of lives. We are now 20 years old, out of our teens, and accordingly we have also widened our canvas. Last year, led by a few alumni from Hostel 5, we took up the Hostel 5 upgradation project along with our sister organization, the IITB HF. In this first of a kind project, we not only looked at funding an upgradation project on for a hostel on campus, but the AA also undertook to build and deliver the project to the institute. I'm happy to state that as we speak, this project is well underway, and before the end of the year, we would be completing the project and handing it over to the institute. Encouraged by this, a couple of months back in August, we also signed a first of its kind MOU with the institute and along with our sister organization IITB HF again, where IITB took on the responsibility of funding, designing, construction and project management for a new hostel complex that would be replacing hostels 7 and 8 and also setting up hostel 21 for the girl students. But today's occasion is not about what we've achieved. It's about acknowledging everyone who has helped us remain grounded in our commitment to our alma mater. All of you have contributed significantly in making us what we are today. Tonight's gathering is about making each of you feel special and conveying to all of you how much your combined support means to us. To end with the words of Ralph Waldo Emerson, it's not the destination, it's the journey. And it's your love and commitment that has made this 20-year journey so worthwhile for us. Thank you once again for joining us tonight, and hope you'll all enjoy this tonight's program.